Hello, my dear students. Today I will discuss about some questions and answers. The topic name is Computer Hardware Components, Part 6. The next slide contains some questions and answers. Question number 6. Differentiate between RAM and ROM. Number B. Primary and secondary memory. Answer. Number A. The differences between RAM and ROM are as follows. RAM. RAM is a temporary storage. Number 1. ROM is a permanent storage. Number 2. RAM is volatile. Number 2. ROM is non-volatile. Number 3. RAM is used in normal operations. Number 3. ROM is used in startup process of computer. Number 4. In RAM, writing data is faster. Number 4. In ROM, writing data is slower. The next slide contains the next part of questions and answers. Answer number B. The differences between primary and secondary memory are as follows. Primary memory. Number 1. The primary memory is also known as the main memory or internal memory. It can be directly accessed by the CPU. Secondary memory. Number 1 point. The external storage devices are called secondary memory. They store data permanently. Number 2. There are two types of primary memory. They are RAM and ROM. Number 2. Some popular secondary storage devices are as follows. Hard disk, Blu-ray disc. The next slide contains the next part of questions and answers. Question number 7. Explain different types of storage devices. Answer. The different types of storage devices are as follows. Number 1. Blu-ray disc. Blu-ray disc, in short, is BD, is used for high definition video storage. It is often used by gamers. It can store up to 25 GB of data per layer. Next is USB flash drive. USB flash drive is also known as pen drive or thumb drive. It has an integrated universal serial bus. In short, USB interface. It can store up to 64 GB. Next is digital versatile disc. In short, DVD. A DVD can store 6 times more than a CD. A single-sided DVD can store about 4.7 GB of data, while double-sided disc can store up to 9 GB. It is also used as backup devices. The next slide contains the next part of questions and answers. Question number 8. Briefly explain the difference between internal and external hardware with suitable examples. Answer. Same answer like question number 2. Question number 9. Describe any 3 internal hardware components. Answer. The 3 internal hardware components are as follows. Number 1. Motherboard. the main printed circuit board PCB found in the microcomputer is known as motherboard. The motherboard is the backbone of the computer. It connects the CPU to the input and the output devices of the computer. Number 2, SMPS. SMPS stands for Switched Mode Power Supply. It is an electronic device that converts electrical power from one form to another form with necessary characteristics, that is AC to DC and vice versa using switching devices. Number 3, modem. Modem is a device that converts digital signal to analog signal at the time of transmitting and converts analog signal to digital signal at the time of receiving. Modems are two types, internal modems and external modems. The next slide contains the next part of questions and answers. Question number 10. Write a short note on modem and hub. Answer. Modem. Modem is a device that converts digital signal to analog signal at the time of transmitting and converts analog signal to digital signal at the time of receiving. Modems are two types, internal modems and external modems. Next is hub. A hub is a device that is used to connect computer in a network. Hub are commonly used to connect segments of LAN. Question number 11. Write a short note on number A, MICR, number B, OMR. Number A, MICR. MICR stands for Magnetic Ink Character Recognition, and MICR is primarily used for verifying check-ins. This recognition can identify and interpret numbers and few special symbols printed with magnetic ink on a check. Number B, OMR. OMR stands for Optical Mark Recognition, and OMR is used widely for evaluating multiple choice questionnaires. In this device, data is converted into signals for the computer with the help of a high intensity of light beam. Students, in this session, I have discussed about some questions and answers. Hope all of you have understand this part of the chapter very well. That's all for now. Thank you.